बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम एमकेट का पेपर 2011 का सॉल्व करेंगे। उसका जो पहला एमसीक्यूज है वो ये है, व्हेन अ फोर्स एक्ट अपोजिट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट देन वर्क डन इज नेगेटिव। फोर्स और डिस्प्लेसमेंट का डायरेक्शन अपोजिट होगा तो वर्क डन क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। सेकेंड एमसीक्यूज है, न्यूटन ऑफ मास 1.7 × 10⁻27 kg travel a distance of 12 meter in a time of interval 3.6 × 10⁻4 second, assuming its speed was constant, its kinetic energy। m मिला हुआ है, डिस्टेंस में मिला हुआ है और टाइम भी मिला हुआ है। पहले स्पीड फाइंड करेंगे, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, उसके बाद 1/2mv² फार्मूला पुट करेंगे तो उसका राइट आंसर है 9.256 × 10⁻19 जूल। Mathematical statement of Hooke's law is equal to -kx. Light can polarize by all the following method except diffraction of light. Choose a piece 4 cm height located 10 cm from converging lens with focal length is 20 cm. The image will be formed at a distance of -20 cm. CGS system, fundamental unit of length, mass, time respectively centimeter, gram and second. A vector such as velocity of body undergoing uniform translational motion which can be displaced parallel to itself and applied at any point is called free vector. Scalar product 2i minus a plus 3k dot 3i plus 2j minus k. The right option is +1. SI unit of momentum is Newton into second. When one body is just on the point of sliding over another, the friction is called limiting friction. Acceleration produced by virtue of change of direction of velocity of object moving in a circular path is called centrifugal acceleration. Horizontal distance from the origin x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 to a point where the projectile returns is called range of projectile. Right hand rule is applied to direction of vector obtained to the vector product of two vectors. The center of mass of a system particle coincide always the center of gravity only a uniform gravitational field. If we go away from the surface of Earth, distance is equal to radius of Earth. The value of c becomes 1/9. Ideal range of frequency for normal human ear is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Length of measuring rod is 1 meter when it is red. When it is at a rest, what will be its length if it is moving with a velocity of 1/3 of the speed of light, 2 radical 2/3 meter. Three-dimensional image of object obtained by using laser is process called holography. Which of the following statement is correct? Newton has mass slightly greater than the proton and its carrier no charge. Is the right option A. Geiger counter is a portable device widely used for the detection of ionizing particles. A constant pressure, the volume of given mass of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. It is called Charles' law. Which are the following statements regarding second law of thermodynamics? It is impossible to drive a continuous supply of work by cooling body temperature of lower than that of voltage of its surrounding. The electric force between two static point charge is directly proportional to charges and inversely with the square of distance between. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है कूलम्स लॉ। द इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स इज मैक्सिमम व्हेन एंगल बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी वेक्टर एरिया इज 90 degree. According to Ohm's law, the relation exists between the current and potential difference is linear. A battery of 10 volts is connected to resistor 3 and 2 ohm joined together in series. The current through a circuit will be 2 ampere. Magnetic field is the region in which a force experiences on a moving charge. A magnet, the force depends upon magnetic field induction, moving charge, magnitude of charge. Right option is E, first, second and third. A circuit in which there is a current of 15 ampere is changed to that current fall to a 0 is in 0.5 second. If an average EMF of 300 volt is induced, what is the self-induction of current is 10 Henry. Potentiometer is used to measure between 2 points in a circuit is called voltage. A galvanometer is a resistance 50 ohm and give a full scale deflection when a current of 0.005 ampere flow in it. Find the value of shunt resistance to convert it into ampere to a range of 20 ampere. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है 0.0125 ohm.